Hello and welcome to Lifestyles by Lola. I'm Lola. It's Halloween and this year my daughter's gonna be Bumble Beyonce. Bzzz. I'm inducting her into the Beehive early. I love Beyonce. I even won the Wannabe MTV contest for Beyonce when I was a teenager. I met Hillary Burton, Christina Milian, and was judged by Rockwaller, Beyonce's mom, Ed Lover, and Dr. Dre. After winning, I got to perform as Beyonce. What an experience and what great costumes. For this costume, we're taking all the items you see here to turn this into Bumble Beyonce. To make the bat, I actually got really lucky. So Lola already had a toy bat, but you can get bats like this at any of your favorite thrift stores that sell little sports toys, or you can even purchase them online. I got stickers from the dollar store, and then you want to make sure that you use a ruler or some kind of guideline so that everything's nice and straight. I spelled out lemonade, and then she's got her Beyonce bat. Beyonce! So how did we do it? I got the letters from Michaels, red and bling. Gotta be bling for Beyonce. And then I did antennas with the extra stones that I got from the dollar store. You want to make sure that you have a nice tea towel, something like this, or a t-shirt, a cottony fabric to lay over the actual onesie because you don't want to burn the fabric. Also, what you'll notice is when you cut out each letter, there's a plastic backing. You don't want that plastic to stick to your iron. So you want to make sure that you have that t-shirt or that tea towel in between this plastic and your iron. That way, you're making sure that it's getting the heat, it's sticking, but you're not ruining your iron. They also have at Michael's, which I thought was so cute, this little mini iron. It's like a baby iron, and it's perfect sizing to iron on letters. So this little guy from Michael's is perfect. But if you don't have access to that, just use a regular iron. Make sure you don't put it up too high though, and be patient. It definitely takes time for those letters to heat up and start sticking. Blinged out tutu, blinged out wings. You gotta have bling if it's Beyonce. So how did I do it? Well, it's super simple. Just a hot glue gun. You gotta have a hot glue gun if you're a true crafter. Come on. With the hot glue gun, you wanna make sure that you always keep this part up so it's nice and rested on its stand, or you can have it on a stand where it sits. This nose gets really hot and you don't want to burn your house down and you don't want to burn your table, so make sure that you remember that one tip. A little bit of glue on the back of my dollar store rhinestones, and ta-da! I've got wings in a tutu, blinged out Beyonce style. I did 5 on the top, 3 at the bottom, and you just take a little bit of the glue, put it on the back of the stone. I did a zigzag pattern. So basically 1 stone up, 1 stone down, 1 stone up, just to give a variety throughout the whole skirt. And it was great because it was so cost effective. I only spent $1 on the stones. And I got the wings, headband, and tutu at Mark's for only $3. But you could probably find something similar at Walmart or even your local dollar store. And most importantly, have fun, because this is going to be a great creation no matter what you do with it. A little bit of bling, a little bit of glue, and a little bit of love goes a long way when you're making a beautiful costume for your child. Tune in next week where we talk about last-minute adult costumes. Bye!